So next up, guys, got a day cab truck here. So this is a 2013 or a 2014. It's kind of lays right on that line. I'll plug in the VIN, see where it comes back. But it's a Freightliner day cab, guys. It's got an Eaton 10-speed manual transmission. It's got a wet kit. They got aluminum rims. Rubber looks to be pretty decent, guys. Got a 450 horse DD13 diesel motor, air ride suspension, air sliding fifth wheel. Coming in from a local company, they would have done good maintenance and service and things of that nature. So it should be up to date on oil changes and everything like that. You know, she starts up. Motor seems to run pretty good. I'm here with Stevie. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Did just fire up. There she goes. She normally starts up good, or has the other one that's the starter. Go slide her into gear here. I'll kind of go around a lot for you. In reverse here. And they would have pulled a lot of RGN trailers or other trailers with hydraulics, guys. That's what it would have done. Moving containers, moving trailers, things of that nature. But right around 575,000 miles, guys. So miles are still real good. You get that truck shined up, she's pretty sharp. So, he's gonna park her over on the other side of that one, but there's a demo, guys, on the 2013 Freightliner day cab truck. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.